Yoga is a wonderful practice that promotes mind-body wellness and flexibility. Here are some gentle yoga poses for beginners. Mountain pose, Tadasana, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, arms at your sides, and palms facing forward. Ground your feet into the floor, lengthen your spine, and relax your shoulders. This pose helps improve posture and promotes a sense of grounding. Child's pose, Balasana, kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and slowly lower your torso forward, bringing your forehead to the mat. Extend your arms forward or alongside your body. This pose stretches the back, hips, and thighs while promoting relaxation and calming the mind. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, start on your hands and knees, with your hands slightly ahead of your shoulders. Curl your toes under, lift your knees off the mat, and lift your hips upward. Lengthen your spine and straighten your legs as much as comfortable. This pose stretches the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders while energizing the body. Cat-cow pose, Energizing Balasana, start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, lift your chest and tailbone, arching your back, cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone, cat pose. Repeat the movement, flowing between the two poses. This sequence helps improve spinal flexibility and releases tension in the back. Warrior I, Virabhadrasana I, start in a lunge position with your right foot forward. Keep your left foot turned slightly outward. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, and lift your torso. Square your hips forward and gaze upward. Hold for several breaths before switching sides. This pose strengthens the legs, opens the chest, and improves balance. Tree pose, Virkasasana, stand tall with your feet together. Shift your weight onto your left foot and bring your right foot to the inside of your left leg, above or below the knee. Bring your hands to your heart center or extend them overhead. Find a focal point to help with balance. This pose improves balance, strengthens the legs, and cultivates focus and concentration. Corpse pose, Savasana, lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on deep, slow breaths. Allow your body to completely relax and release any tension. This pose promotes deep relaxation and helps calm the mind. Remember to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. Start with shorter durations and gradually increase the time you spend in each pose. As a beginner, it's also beneficial to practice under the guidance of a qualified yoga instructor who can provide proper alignment cues and adjustments. Enjoy the journey of exploring yoga and its benefits for your mind and body.